Hello students, welcome to Topper IAS. So as part of our daily series, today also we will continue with discussing a particular topic keeping UPSC mains in mind. Actually, we have already started with respect to plastic. Today we will see what are the new points which have been brought out in a new amendment rules, new plastic waste management amendment rules 2021. So basically we have seen in previous class so why the plastic is so popularly used because of its various properties like flexibility, durability and all this stuff. But excess usage, irrational disposal, all this stuff have led to a number of issues, a number of negative impacts. So we need to regulate this impact. So there have been calls to reduce the plastic pollution. So in line with that, government of India has come out with various measures, and one such measure is plastic waste management amendment rules actually, and the rules have been amended now. Okay, so recently, Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change has notified Plastic Waste Management Amendment Rules 2021. And what these rules aims to do is they aim to prohibit identified single-use plastic items. So single-use plastic items, not all, but only the list of single-use plastic items which have been identified by the rules, and those such kind of single-use plastics which have low utility, meaning of lesser usefulness, and high littering potential, meaning these are the one which are going to create more number of scraps and all those stuff. So identified single-use plastic items having low utility and high littering potential have been identified under these rules. See, and once such kind of single-use plastics, the manufacture, importing of them, stocking, distribution, sale and use of those single-use plastics have been prohibited. Okay, this includes polystyrene, expanded polystyrene commodities shall be prohibited from when 1st July 2022. Okay, remember that. So examples means single-use plastics, various things like earbuds with plastic sticks for balloons, plastic flags, candy sticks, ice cream sticks. Okay, then you have polystyrene for decoration, that is nothing but thermocol that you use for decoration, right? Then plates are there, cups, glasses, forks, spoons. See, all these items all have been banned. Okay, and plastic or PVC which are less than 100 micron stirrers. Okay, you remember the size. If they are higher than 100 microns, they can be usable, but these are not allowed. Only less than 100 microns size. Okay. Then, with effect from 30th September 2021, the thickness of plastic carry bags has been increased from 50 microns to 75 microns. So, currently, the minimum size of plastic carry bag should be 50 microns. This was based on Plastic Waste Management Rules 2016. Okay, so according to the amended rules, the minimum size of plastic thickness of plastic carry bag should be 75 microns. So why this has been done? Yesterday we have already seen there is a issue of microplastics, right? To overcome the issue of microplastics, the size thickness of plastic carry bags has been increased from 50 microns to 75 microns and to 120 microns with effect from December 2022. So next year they have to increase to 120 microns. Remember that. And those plastic packaging waste. So the single phasing out of identified single-use plastic items is there according to the rules. It does not include plastics that have been used as a packaging material. So the plastic packaging waste is not covered under these rules. So such kind of waste are guided by extended producer responsibility, meaning so such waste shall be collected, managed and disposed of in a environmentally sustainable way by the producer, importer and brand owner. So producers, users have the responsibility of collecting and managing such waste. So packaging plastic material has to be guided by extended producer responsibility principle. Remember that. And the Central Pollution Control Board along with state pollution bodies will monitor the ban, identify violations and impose penalties as prescribed under Environment Protection Act of 1986. Then the following steps so far have been taken also to strengthen the implementation of plastic waste management rules 2016. So what all things have been done? The states and union territories have been requested to constitute a special task force for elimination of single use plastics and effective implementation of plastic waste management rule 2016. And national level task force has also been constituted by the ministry for taking coordinated efforts to eliminate identified single-use plastic items and effective implementation of rules 2016 again. Then directions have been issued to all the states and union territories under section 5 of Environment Protection Act 1986. What directions have been given? To set up institutional mechanism for strengthening the enforcement of plastic waste management rules 2016. So these measures have been so far been done to address the issue of plastic waste in the country. So we have seen what quantity of plastic waste have been is being generated in India, and what are the reasons, what are the impacts it is having. So to address the issue, government has come out with plastic waste management rules. Remember that, particularly increasing the thickness of plastic carry bags, plus there have been single use plastic items have been identified, and phasing out of this has been suggested. Remember that. So that's it for today. You can also download the PDF of this document in the link that is shared below, and do download Topper IAS Institute app so that you get access to n number of these videos which will be helpful in your UPSC preparation. So that's it for today. Thank you.